How to edit Google Docs file in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find your Google Docs file if you have already created your Google Docs file and now you are unable to find it. So I will show you, or also I'm going to show you how you can create the new Google Docs file. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the browser first. Okay guys, so here I am on my browser. So first I am going to share you some information about Google Drive first. So just log in with your email ID. Okay, and now just go to the Google Drive. Okay, so basically Google Drive is a like storage for your all Google application. Like when you create Google Docs, Google Sheet, anything, it will be stored in Google Drive only. You can see there is a Google Docs. Okay, you can Google see the Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form, and many more here. And this is like storage. Okay, so you can also open the Google Docs separately. Just click on this menu icon, application icon, go to the Google Docs. So this is a Google Docs individual application, but when you create any Google Docs file here, it is only save in Google Drive only. Okay, so I will show you how you can create the new Google Docs file, or you can also see here your all created file. Okay, in Google Drive also you can see all your created file. You can search here for Google Docs only. Just get the search cursor on this search bar and just click on documents. Okay, or you can type colon document, then all your document will be view here. You can view from here. Okay, you can also create new documents from here. Go to the Google Docs and create the blank icon, or you can use the template. You can also see all template here. Go to the template gallery. You can use any template for as per your requirement. So as I told you, you can create blank page from here also. After you create any blank, you have to just rename it. So I just rename test for edit documents. Okay, I just rename it. After rename, you can see, or you can if you change anything here, you can see the document save automatically in your Google Drive and Google Docs. So here you can see that document. Let me refresh. You can see the documents. This is the document we just created. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now if you want to save it with to the particular folder, now just go here in this folder option, go to the all location, go to the my folder, and you can select the any folder from here which you want to save, or you can create the new folder. You can rename it like documents file, create it, it will be create, and now it is open here, and you have to move this document here. So now you can save, you can make changes, and in Google Drive you need to, you can see the this folder here, documents file, and you can see the this document which is saved here. Okay, so you can find your documents in Google Drive only, also Google Drive, and as well as in Google Docs also. Okay, so once you open, you can see you can edit anything from here. You can use the tools. Okay, you can share this document to people. You have to just click on this share. You can hit the you have to just write the email ID of this person, or you can make the changes in permission like viewer. If you want to make this viewer to only view your document, then you have to make them viewer permission. Commenters, they can suggest you changes, or editors means they can directly edit your documents or just send it. After accepting this email ID, or user will have access of your Google Docs and they can view your documents. You can also share this link, make the anyone of this link, and make the permission like viewer, commenter, editor. Copy this link and you can share anyone to this link. That means people can view your documents from this link. Okay, you can also download this file in your device as a PDF. You can see the many format here. You can choose PDF format, docs format, text format, anything. Okay, and there is a lots of option you can use for your Google Docs. Okay, so this is how you can edit your Google Docs in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.